वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम। याद है लास्ट वीडियो में हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस पढ़ा था। आई होप आप देख रहे हो और मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली उसे अच्छे से समझ रहे हो। आज की बारी है पास्ट सिंपल एंड पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की। So those who don't know me, I am Archana Kayale from Good to Excellence, and here we help our students achieve English language fluency, confidence and success. And हाँ, आपने अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब प्रेस करिए। किया? Good. So ठीक है, let's start with today's topic. So what is our today's topic? First, we will see the past simple tense. The use is, this is used for actions that were completed in the past and often with the specific time markers. See the example. I walked to office yesterday. So here walked is the past simple form of walk and yesterday indicates a specific time in the past. Now, on to the past continuous tense. This is used for actions that were ongoing or in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, I was walking to school when it started raining. So here, was walking is the past continuous form of walk. And when it started raining, it indicates the specific time. Now, let's compare the two. The past simple tense focuses on completed action in the past, while the past continuous tense emphasizes actions that were ongoing at a specific time. Remember, we use the past simple for shorter actions that interrupt the ongoing actions expressed in the past continuous tense. So, practice makes perfect, right? So try crafting your own sentences using both past simple and the past continuous tense. Now we will compare the past simple tense with the present perfect tense. So do you remember in the last video we learned how to use the present perfect tense? Now check the similarities and differences between the past simple and the present perfect simple tense. So, present perfect simple tense links the past with the present. For example, I have read 10 pages. That means somewhere in the past, I read and I may read more. But the past simple tense, what it does? It only talks about the past. The action started and got over. So that means I read 10 pages. The action is over. Action is completed. Now, the present perfect tense, it talks about the action but does not talk about the specific time when the action took place. For example, have you had lunch? So here we are not talking about a specific time. But the past simple tense mentions the specific time. For example, I have had lunch when you were talking to the boss. Right? So talking to the boss was the specific time. Now, the present perfect tense uses the time expression, the time is not over, or that shows that the time is not over. For example, I have read 4 books this month. So this month, that means the time is not over. But the past simple tense uses the time expression that shows the time is over. Time is completed or finished. That what is the example? I read 4 books last month. So, the present perfect tense this month and the past simple tense last month. And that concludes our lesson on mastering the past simple and the past continuous tense. Also, we work on understanding the difference between the present perfect and past tense. Keep practicing and you will soon be comfortable using these tenses. And for more learning, you can WhatsApp us on 9483507050. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.